Need a level 1 quest for your next campaign but don't know where to start? Let's build one right now. A good starting quest should introduce the world, give the players a clear goal, and hook them into something bigger. So, let's set ours in Thalundil and give it a proper first adventure. So, the first step is to choose the quest type. Your starter quest should be simple. Pick one of these classic hooks. Something is missing, maybe a person, an item, or supplies. Something is attacking, maybe raiders, bandits, or monsters. Something is strange, mystery, rumors, or a magical problem. We'll go with missing supplies since Talundil relies on trade. In step 2, we have to set up the problem. Let's say at the Brassel Tavern, the players overhear panic talk, mug slamming, dice rolling, and someone whispering about a caravan that never returned. The blacksmith is furious because his shipment of ore was on that cart. The mayor, when questioned, also confirms there have been other caravan attacks and he'll pay to have it dealt with. Boom! The players have a purpose. Step 3. Let's add a twist. We could make it just bandits, but that's just boring. So let's spice it up. When the players track down the caravan trail, they find signs of struggle, weapons, broken crates. But no bodies, not even blood. Strange tracks leading into the woods, too big for humans, too small for ogres. Could be goblins, gnolls, wolves, fae? Let the players guess. Mystery creates investment. Step 4 is where the players will have their first combat or challenge. They find an abandoned cart, half looted. A few goblins or kobolds are scavenging it. Fight them, chase them, or question them, whatever your players choose. If they capture one, it says, "We didn't take the people, the shiny cloaked ones did." Affection revealed. Now, we've got a bigger story brewing. Step 5 is where you reward your players and give them the next hook. With no other leads, they return to town with the proof they've got. The blacksmith rewards them with, let's say, some free gear. But the real prize question is, who are the shiny cloaked ones? Are they spies from other kingdoms? A cult operating in secret? Elven knights acting without permission? And that's your next quest arc. And there you go, a complete starting quest. So, let's recap what we've done. We've chosen the quest giver with multiple choices from where to start: blacksmith, tavern rumors, or mayor. We set the objective: find the missing caravan. We've added a twist: the caravan was attacked, people were taken, not killed. We've also added a clue for the future: strange faction behind it. And lastly, the reward: free gear from the blacksmith. Where the players choose to go, it's up to you and them. Maybe they want to pursue this mystery, or maybe this faction might appear in the future. Now, let me know down in the comments how your first mission went, if you agree or not with what I've said, what would you change, and lastly, what reaction you've got from the players to your starting quest. YouTube says you would also like this video, so click it.